Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 8 for CBSE board. Chapter number 13 Surface, Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 13.3, question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm, having a spherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. Okay. Now try to understand solution. This is an important question. Solution. Diameter of container is equal to 12 centimeter. Container is cylindrical and radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. And therefore volume of ice cream in the container is equal to pi r square into h is equal to pi into 6 into 6 into 15 cm cube. Statement number 1. Then diameter of cone is equal to 6 centimeter and therefore radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Height of cone is equal to 12 centimeter given, and therefore volume of cone is equal to pi r square into h upon 3. Okay. Is equal to pi into 3 into 3 into 12 upon 3 cm cube. If you simplify this 3 and this 3 get cancelled and is equal to pi into 3 into 12 cm cube. Statement number 2. Then radius of hemispherical top is equal to 3 centimeter and therefore volume of hemispherical top is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So 2 upon 3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 3 get cancelled and therefore it is equal to pi into 2 into 3 into 3 cm cube. So now volume of ice cream in a cone is equal to pi into 3 into 12 plus pi into 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to pi 54 cm cube. Let number of cone be x and therefore volume of ice cream in x number of cones is equal to x into pi into 54 cm cube. Now volume of ice cream in x number of cone is equal to volume of ice cream in the container. So if you simplify this, you will get x. So x into pi into 54 is equal to pi into 6 into 6 into 15, and therefore x is equal to 6 into 6 into 15 upon 54. This pi and this pi get cancelled and simplify this, you will get 10. So x is equal to 10, that is 10 numbers of cones can be filled with ice cream. Okay. Question number 6. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2 mm must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter? Solution. Diameter of silver coin is equal to 1.75 centimeter and therefore radius of coin is equal to 1.75 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. Thickness h is equal to 2 mm, that is 2 millimeter, is equal to 0.2 centimeter. Okay, because 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Now volume of a coin, cylindrical it is equal to pi r square into h. So pi into 1.75 upon 2 into 1.75 upon 2 into 0.2. Simplify this, means this decimal fraction you convert into fraction. So volume is equal to pi into 175 into 175 into 2 upon 2 into 2 into 100 into 100 into 10. Statement number 1. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So 5.5 into 10 into 3.5 is equal to 55 into 10 into 35 upon 10 into 10 cm cube. Statement number 2. Let number of coins required to form a cuboid be x, then volume of x numbers of coins is equal to volume of cuboid, and therefore x into pi into 175 into 175 upon 2 into 2 upon 2 into 2 into 100 into 100 into 10 is equal to 55 into 10 into 35 upon 10 into 10. And therefore x is equal to this, all you transfer on this side. So 55 into 10 into 35 upon 10 into 10 into 2 into 2 into 100 into 100 into 10 upon pi into 175 into 175 into 2. So if you simplify it, you will get 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 and is equal to 400, and hence 400 coins must be melted to form a cuboid of given dimensions. Okay. Question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high and with radius of base 18 centimeter is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the radius and slant height of the heap. Okay. Now answer of this question I describe in next lecture. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.